Did you just heard about ChatGPT's new agent mode? What is it and why everyone is talking about it? Just stay with me because in this video I will show you exactly what the ChatGPT agent is and how to use it and why it's about to change the game of AI users. So let's get started. So first thing first, what is ChatGPT agent? It's a powerful combo of deep research and something OpenAI calls the operator. Operator is basically ChatGPT's ability to open a browser, search the internet, and give you results automatically on your behalf. Instead of you searching tabs, googling things, and collecting results, ChatGPT does it all for you in the background. The deep research part is what makes this incredible. If you want to plan a trip, create an itinerary, or do serious research analysis, it goes through multiple sources, websites, and pages and analyzes everything and give you the top results. And when you combine deep research with the operator, you get something much more advanced, and that is called ChatGPT Agent. I have always wanted to use AI to help with stock analysis. And with ChatGPT Agent, this is the closest we have gotten to that dream. Honestly, it feels like a glimpse of AGI. So here is what I asked. Find and evaluate microcap stock listed in the US that are consistently profitable and show strong growth. I gave it clear filters, market cap range, revenue target, return on capital, and a solid PE ratio. But that's just the start. I also asked it to check the industry type, business model, historical financial, promoter, shareholder, and more. If anything looked off, it had to flag it. And finally, I told it to wrap everything up into a presentation. Let's break down what just happened. I gave ChatGPT agent a detailed task about find macro cap stock, apply strict filter like revenue growth, return on capital, and PE ratio, look into each company industry, business model, historical profit, and even promoter shareholding, flag any red flags, and finally package everything into a clean visual presentation. The agent didn't just fetch service level data, it went through all the online sources, evaluated every company against the criteria, and returned a full report including a table of qualified stock with all the key metrics. Then it went deeper, running a company by company analysis and explained why each stock was selected. In the top of it, it built a professional looking PowerPoint that summarizes everything visually benefits, risk, and reasoning all in one place. This is no longer just AI chat. This is full blown automated research and reporting. In our next use case, I'm going to ask ChatGPT that we are planning a 2 day trip of our company offsite that have a team of 10 people. We live in New York and our total budget is $15,000 per employee. Please help me to choose the best travel, stay, eating and activities to do in this time along with cost of 1 to 2 substitute options. 4 of us are vegetarians, rest are non-veg. So after in-depth search of 10 minutes, ChatGPT gave us multiple venue option, travel arrangement, dining consideration, and activity suggestions. The plans travel under 15K US dollar per employee budget and includes substitute option for each assignment. If we go down and see travel option here, we got travel mode, detail, and cost for renting executive limousine style spinner, and here we got the substitute. The first option we got is Mohawk Mountain House. It proposes itinerary option, daytime, travel and arrival, and detail and cost here for morning, lunch, afternoon, evening, or night. It's also break down the cost per person for lodging and meals, ground transport, team building activities, and few optional breakdown. Total with extra is US dollar 1935. It's also give us the reference links to go there where we got all the details. If I wanna get limousine here, I could go ahead and rent limousine directly from here for my tour. Let's scroll more down and here we got option 2. Again, that contain the timing, activity and detail costs and cost breakdown per person. And now we got an option 3 as well. The lake house on Canandaigua, Finger Lakes, with the same details and breakdown per person. And also we have substitute stay option. Perfect. Now here we also got the dining consideration for vegetarians and non-vegetarians with the reference links to the hotel and restaurants. By clicking these links, this is directly taking us to the website and we could go ahead and quickly reserve our bookings here. We got the number and all the details also. And if we scroll little more down, we got the summary and recommendation for all our queries and questions. Perfect. So now in the next quick use case, I asked ChatGPT that I am looking to hire a YouTube manager who can shift next week to work at company ITPK. Below are the job description to find that YouTube manager, and I asked ChatGPT agent just go to LinkedIn and find the best people suited for this job description and compile a list of them in spreadsheet along with their LinkedIn profile. It's worked for 30 seconds and asked me to log in LinkedIn. Let me go ahead and I will log in to LinkedIn so that ChatGPT agent will search for required profiles over the LinkedIn. Let me sign in with my email and click on sign in. Now I have to approve the sign in request from my cell phone. Perfect. I'm impressed with ChatGPT agent. Let's click on finish controlling the browser and here you go. And you can see here how perfectly a ChatGPT agent is working for me. It is searching for all the potential people that I could go ahead and hire for me as a YouTube manager. So until it's back to me, let me show you it could do a lot more. In the tools, let's select agent. We got few options that order pizza for child's birthday party, order fresh flower for friend's birthday, enroll in yoga class next week, research autonomous trucking impact on auto insurance industry, reserve a table at highly rated restaurant. For now, let's go ahead and we want to select order a pizza for child birthday party. So ChatGPT could do a lot more for us. It can search anything for you without wasting your time and get to you quickly. Now it's searching for pizzas in my city, meaning that you don't have to do every work. You just have to give a simple prompt and ChatGPT agent will go on website and search everything and get the correct details to you. Basically, it can perform all of these shuffling actions on your behalf. So it could keep doing its work until let's go to ChatGPT again. We want to go to Tools, Agent Mode, and this time we want to go to Reserve a table at highly rated restaurant. Let's go ahead and send this to ChatGPT. Now, in next quick example, let's ask ChatGPT. I was out of office last week. Can you have a look to my Gmail inbox and prioritize email that I should respond to? Now, ChatGPT agent will go ahead and open up the browser, and this will ask me to log into my Gmail. Let's enter my email and the password. It's logging me in, and I have to approve my login from my mobile phone. Okay, just go ahead. Now this will go and review my Gmail inbox and prioritize my email that I should respond. Perfect. Let's go to table reservation. I got an hotel name where I could go ahead and reserve my table and it's required me to enter name, email address or phone fields. Let's click on takeover and see what will happen. That's it. I could go ahead and book online here. Let's go to the ordering pizza. Just open up the website and it's asking me to take over to order pizza for you. Perfect. I could go ahead and click I am not a robot and proceed with ordering the pizza. Let's go and see about the LinkedIn hiring manager. Here I got the spreadsheet with LinkedIn profile of potential candidates who match the YouTube manager role and requirement. Each candidate, current role, location, and relevant highlights have been noted to aid evaluation. I got the CSV file here. Let's verify it by opening with Excel. And here you go. I got a perfect details with the name, role, location, relevant skills, and notes. And let's see, we also have links to their profile. Just amazing. We have started with stock analysis, but as you saw, ChatGPT didn't stop there. It helped me plan travel itineraries, prioritize Gmail emails, search LinkedIn for candidates, found hotels and pizza places, and even placed order automatically. This isn't just answering prompts. It's full on AI automation. If you are excited about what Agents Mode can do, hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite use case, and subscribe because this is just the beginning of what's possible with AI. See you in the next one.